In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to view Spotify history. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to see all of your recently played songs or the songs that you played on your Spotify account. This is gonna be real quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. Firstly, let's head over to Spotify. Now basically there are two ways that you can view your history or your recently played songs. From the home screen of your Spotify, you simply tap on this clock icon besides the settings and the notification. You tap on it and it's going to show you all of your recently played songs. That's the one way that you see it. Now if you don't have this option, there is a second way to view it. So to do that, you just open up a playlist or a mix that you've created and then just tap on this option and it's going to show you all of these songs inside this playlist. You just tap on add more and then swipe left. If you swipe left 3 times, it's going to show you all of your played songs, history of your Spotify. Those are the two ways that you can view your Spotify history. This works for both iOS and Android. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.